Hello fellow cakers, Michelle here with the latest tutorial on how to make this cute girly elephant cake topper. So let's get started. Okay, first you need a ball of gray fondant, about 80 grams or so. Roll that into a teardrop shape about 3 inches tall. Then for the legs, you're going to roll out a sausage-like piece of fondant and cut it about 1.5 inch long for each leg. Be sure to define the feet and make them nice and big so you can put the hearts on later on. Once you cut the legs, you're going to flatten out the back area and shape the legs a little bit more to give it some more definition. But first I did add a lollipop stick into the body so I could place it into a cake dummy. Then add some Tylose glue to the legs and attach it to the body. For the arms, you're going to follow the same guidelines as you did for the legs, but not focusing too much about the bottoms of the feet because that just gets pushed against the body area. Add some glue all the way on the back of the legs, all the way down to the feet. And place them onto the body and then just press them in. For the head, I do this in a few stages. Using a styrofoam ball allows air pockets to build up between the fondant and the ball. So I just cover it in a thin piece of fondant, work out all the air pockets with a pin, and then I just add another piece of fondant over top of that, making sure it's nice and thick so when I roll out the trunk I have enough fondant. Shape the head the way you like. Using a ball tool, I just added in where the eyes were going to go, just right above the trunk area. I just cut off a little piece of fondant here just so I'd have a flat surface for the head to rest on. Added some glue and then pressed the head down onto the lollipop stick. Then I rolled out some black fondant for the eyes and then glued them in. Unfortunately, the ears didn't make it into this video, but you can easily achieve them by cutting out 2 hearts with a 2-inch cutter and cutting off 3/4 inch from the bottom, then glue them on. I used pink gum paste to make the bow, and if anybody is interested in finding out how I make this bow, I will definitely make a video in the future. Just put a comment down below and let me know if you're interested. Once your bow is all done, you can just add some glue at the bottom of it and add it to the top of the head. Like that. I also placed a little piece of ribbon around her neck since I had some extra gum paste. Using the same pink gum paste, I used a heart plunge cutter to make the hearts that go at the bottom of the feet. Then I cut out little circles for the toenails and just cut them in half and attached them, 3 for each foot. Using the same Ateco tip, I cut out some circles to add to the bow for the polka dots. Place them all around randomly with some Tylose glue. Once you're all done adding your polka dots, you can get some black paint for the eyebrows and the eyelashes and paint those on. You could also use thin pieces of black fondant if you wanted to roll out small pieces and add them on yourself. I just find painting them on is a lot faster. And there you have it. She's all done. Ready for your cake. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and please check back for more videos.